you just take out your goggles straight away and do this. Alright? Flush for about 10 minutes or so.
What if you wear contact lenses?
I don't wear contact lenses, so I still think it's the right procedure to do. Just think about it, if you are to remove your contact lenses, it's all dirty, right? There's not enough time. Anybody not feeling well? Okay. So all of you know about the undergraduate safety notes, all right? Clear? Okay. You know the location of the fire extinguishers. Fire blanket. Anybody know what's a fire blanket? No. When somebody's on fire. Don't think of the song, okay? Somebody's on fire. You wrap him or her up with the fire blanket, roll her up and lay her on the ground. Him or her on the ground, okay? Make sure the person doesn't stand up. It is important because I know we're trying to resist any movement and stand up, but the thing is the fumes will go into our nostrils inside. Our respiratory system will be very hurt. Yes. Even if the person resists, you must really force him or her onto the ground, make sure it doesn't move, and do not use a fire extinguisher on any people. Never in your life, okay? Because there's a few kinds. I will tell you the hazards of it. So one of it is the CO2, you know, carbon dioxide fire extinguishers. If you spray on somebody, what happens to him? Any clue? CO2 on you. Imagine a lot of dry ice on you suddenly, flushing you. What do you feel? Cold. You feel cold, so you get frostbite. Frozen. Okay. And if you're using a soda acid extinguisher, what happens is, right, sometimes you don't close the eyes, it goes inside here, you get blind. Alright? Okay. If there's a large chemical spill on your body, what do you have to do? Remove your lab coat straight away. Just unbutton quickly, take off everything, okay? And go to this safety shower and just wash yourself for 15 minutes or more. Anybody have any questions? No questions. Okay, if there's nothing, you can begin now.